And I'm Ray Cortopassi.
We begin tonight with developing news. 2 Chicagoans have died from this year's monkeypox outbreak. Although the number of cases are down in the U.S. and death is unlikely, medical experts are warning people to stay vigilant.
And Jewel Hillary is joining us live tonight with more on this. Jewel.
Yeah, hi, Micah and Ray. So an infectious disease specialist that we spoke to this evening says that these 2 monkeypox cases are the first in the state as well as in the city of Chicago. We're not sure if the 2 people were vaccinated, but doctors are encouraging people at high risk of catching the virus to get the vaccine, which they say is highly effective. On Friday afternoon, Chicago Department of Public Health Commissioner Dr. Allison Arwady announced in a statement that 2 Chicagoans died from the monkeypox virus. While the cases are unrelated, Dr. Arwady says both adults had several health conditions. Dr. Anu Hazra, an infectious disease specialist with Howard Brown Health and the University of Chicago, says people with pre-existing health conditions and weak immune systems can be more severely infected with monkeypox.
While death still remains very rare as a complication of this disease, we are seeing it in this population.
According to the CDC, more than 75,000 monkeypox cases have been reported globally during this year's outbreak. Of those cases, there have been 34 reported deaths, 6 of those deaths in the U.S.
These are the first 2 in Chicago and the first of the state of Illinois.
The virus spreads largely through close skin-to-skin contact and has been widely transmitted through sexual contact with someone who has a monkeypox rash.
At the beginning of this infection, when it started, we noticed it in a certain group ethnicity was more amongst white men who had sex with other men. But a lot of that population got their vaccines, and now we're seeing a lot of the monkeypox cases in African Americans and Hispanics.
Dr. Damilola Adeyemi, an infectious disease specialist with Swedish Hospital, says anyone can get monkeypox and stresses the importance of vaccination.
Preliminary data has shown that unvaccinated people have a 14 times increased risk of getting the infection compared to people who are vaccinated.
Unlike earlier in the year, the 2-dose immunization is now readily available.
For folks, who are hesitant about getting the vaccine, it's important to realize that monkeypox is now a wholly vaccine-preventable illness.
And vaccinations are available at hospitals and clinics across the city. You can click on the story on our website, WGNTV.com, for more information on where to go to get vaccinated. Back to you.
All right, Jewel, thank you.